Hey everyone! Welcome on board! Today, we're taking to the skies to tackle a topic that's full of myths and misconceptions, the life of a commercial pilot. Let's dive in. Pilots only fly planes. Many people think pilots' only job is to fly aircraft. In reality, their responsibilities extend far beyond just operating the plane. Pilots conduct pre-flight planning, check weather conditions, review flight paths, and communicate with air traffic control. During flights, they monitor instruments, manage navigation, and ensure passenger safety, making their role much more complex than simply flying. All pilots are rich. There's a common belief that all commercial pilots earn lucrative salaries. While experienced pilots, especially those flying for major airlines, can earn substantial incomes, entry-level positions often come with lower pay. Additionally, the cost of training to become a pilot can be significant, often leading to student debt, which means financial success may take years to achieve. Pilots have glamorous lives. The portrayal of pilots in movies and media often emphasizes a glamorous lifestyle, but the reality is different. Pilots face long hours, irregular schedules, and frequent travel, which can lead to fatigue and stress. Layovers can be brief, and many pilots deal with jet lag and personal sacrifices, making the job less glamorous than it appears. You need a science degree to become a pilot. Many believe that aspiring pilots must have a formal education in science or engineering. While a strong understanding of math and physics is helpful, it's not a strict requirement. Many pilots come from diverse educational backgrounds and receive the necessary training through flight schools and aviation programs. Pilots don't have to keep learning after getting their license. There's a misconception that once pilots obtain their licenses, they no longer need further training. In reality, pilots are required to undergo regular training, including simulator sessions and proficiency checks, to stay current with regulations and procedures. Continuous education is vital to maintaining safety standards in aviation. All pilots can handle any emergency situation. While pilots receive extensive training in emergency procedures, they cannot anticipate or handle every possible scenario. Each situation is unique, and pilots must assess circumstances and work collaboratively with co-pilots and air traffic control to resolve issues effectively. They are trained to respond calmly and decisively, but no pilot can predict every event. Military experience is necessary to become a commercial pilot. Many believe that only those with military flying experience can become commercial pilots. While military training can provide valuable skills, many successful commercial pilots come from civilian flight training backgrounds. Numerous flight schools offer comprehensive training programs that prepare aspiring pilots for commercial aviation careers. Pilots are always in control of the aircraft. Some people think pilots are always in full control of the aircraft during flights. However, many modern aircraft are equipped with autopilot systems that handle routine flight operations. While pilots monitor the systems and remain in control during critical phases, they also rely on technology to assist them, especially on long-haul flights. Pilots have a relaxed work environment. There's a misconception that the cockpit is a laid-back environment. In reality, pilots must remain focused and attentive throughout the flight, managing multiple tasks and responsibilities. They have to adhere to strict schedules, maintain communication with air traffic control, and continuously monitor flight instruments, making the work demanding and intense. Flying is always fun. While flying can be exhilarating, it's not always enjoyable. Pilots often deal with fatigue, challenging weather conditions, and the stress of managing passenger concerns. Long hours away from home can lead to burnout, and many pilots experience routine and monotony, particularly on short-haul flights. The excitement of flying is often balanced with the demands of the job. These misconceptions highlight the complexity and challenges of being a commercial pilot. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time.